Hi everyone, I'm Valentina. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a full review of Sézane shoes. I have 5 pairs of shoes with me right here. I did order some other pairs which I returned, and I will be talking about that as well. So let's get started. As always, remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more good reviews. So the first pair that I have right here is Valentin leather ballerinas. So these are absolutely my most worn Sézane shoes. They are so pretty. I love this cherry red color. If you follow me on Instagram, you know how much I wear these ones. So I was actually thinking to buy a new pair of these because I just like them so much, and I know that they will get worn over time and eventually I will have to get rid of them. But I really love these ones. They go with so many outfits, even though they're red, and they're so comfortable. I wear these at work. I walked a lot in these shoes, and they might be my favorite pair. So there are a couple of different versions of these shoes. There are also brown ones, which is suede leather. I also got them in that suede, but they had like a really big gap right here. I remember when I did a video of unboxing that someone commented on my previous videos that they have a huge gap hole right there and that they were too big. So that didn't happen for me with this pair, but it did happen with the brown ones. So I don't know. I got these in 8. I think that Sézane changed something with the sizing because now I'm either 7, American 7 or 8. I'm European 39 because I've noticed that some of their shoes in size 8 are too big for me, but not these. So this is true to size number 8, and this is 1 centimeter little heel. They're made in Europe, made in Portugal, and yes, these are gorgeous. Let's move on. The second pair is called Aubaine. Here they are. I mean, aren't all of them just so pretty? So this is leather and mesh. This heel is 2.5 centimeters high, which is 1 inch. These in the beginning were not so comfortable right here on the heel. They did cause blisters on my feet, but then I put band-aids. I didn't want to return them because I really like the design, and the same, I can just wear them with any of my summer dresses. They're so neutral, so if you do have like really sensitive feet, sensitive heels, I mean, it might not happen to you, I don't know, but it did happen to me. However, now as this got softer, I just feel like they're very comfortable. And maybe my mistake was that I walked a lot for the first time that I've worn them. Like I was in them the whole day. I did like 6-7 kilometers for sure. So maybe that was my mistake for the first day. So yeah, I've worn these so much already. They're also made in Portugal, and I got them in size 8, 39. These ones are true to size as well. Now returning to Valentin, so I really loved the color of Valentin, the cherry red, and I wanted to get another pair in that color. So I got these, they're called Livy slingbacks, also a leather pair of shoes. So I think that I filmed an unboxing of these, but they were too big. They were too big for me, and I felt that the heel, you can see that the heel is not too high, it's 2.5 centimeters. However, it just didn't feel comfortable, walking in these, so I returned that pair. And the next pair is called Alexia Alexia babies. So I got these mostly for work. They are also sling bags. They're so pretty. They look so flattering on the feet. And this heel is a bit smaller and it's not that heavy. 2 centimeters, so it's not like a huge height difference, but these are much more comfortable. I walked in these as well, and they didn't cause any blisters, and they're just so comfortable and so flattering, and I love these ones. And I see online that they have them in different colors. So these ones are also made in Portugal and real leather. In size did I get these? Okay, so these ones are 38, which is 7. I remember that I bought these in the store, so I tried 7 and 8, and I remember that the 8 was too wide on my foot. It wasn't even about the length, it was really wide right here. So I would say size down in these. These are just like so elegant, like that, you know, even though they are pointy, they're not like exaggerated. So yeah, I got many compliments on these. I just realized that I have 6 pairs of shoes. I forgot about these ones. So these ones are called Gloria sandals, returning to the cherry red color. So the heel height is 7 centimeters, and these were not comfortable for me, but I also don't wear high heels often, only for like special occasions, and yeah, only for the special occasions. So you know, they might be comfortable for someone who wears heels, but they were not comfortable for me. However, I didn't return them because they weren't that uncomfortable, and I really like the design, the color, and it is a very high quality, very well made shoe. It's also made in Europe, in Portugal. It's real leather, and I got these in size 8. So I remember that I also tried both 7 and 8 at the store, and in the end I chose the bigger size. It just looked better, it felt more comfortable. Although when I tried them on at the store, they felt really comfortable, but when I wore them for a longer time, just my feet started hurting. So yeah, but I will wear these, however, many times more because I really like the design. But maybe, you know, for some occasions where I don't need to walk that much. Moving on to the shoes of the summer. These are going to be definitely my most worn shoes this summer. So how cute are these? These are called Mariana espadrilles. So these look so pretty with the midi skirts, with maxi midi dresses. I've already worn these, so comfortable, very breathable. So it's just textile and rope here, and very comfortable. I've already worn these for a longer time, and I got these in size 8, yes, 39 European, true to size, and I'm in love with these. They look so well on my tanned feet. I think, yes, so I don't know where these are made. It just says that it's crafted in our Spanish workshop. So I guess were made in Spain. I'm not sure. But they do have some height. So this is 0.80 inches. So this is 2 centimeters. I did not know that, but yeah, now that I look at it, they do have some height. So yeah, these ones are just beautiful Mary Janes. And then I have another pair, the last pair, which is coming tomorrow. So these ones are called Ingrid Mules. I will put on the video once I get them. But I tried these at the store. It's strange because I see that here it says if you are between two shoe sizes, choose a size above. So I tried these in 7 and in 8, and 7 was a better fit for me. These ones are in vintage chocolate. They also have them available in cherry and yellow, although the yellow ones are sold out, but it's just a beautiful summer butter yellow shade. So sadly these are sold out, but I wanted something like darker, and these ones are also made in Portugal. And from what I can tell now is that they are comfortable considering the height from what I've tried at the store. So they did feel comfortable, but they also felt very tight. I mean, it is leather, so I'm hoping that it will soften and adjust to your foot, but the leather was kind of harsh, just so you know if you are considering purchasing this pair. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, any comments, leave them down below. Let me know down below which one was your favorite pair. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.